Good morning students. Today we are going to start mathematics of standard 7, chapter number 2, exercise 2.3. First question, find 1 by 4 of A 1 by 4, B 3 by 5 and C 4 upon 3. So first of all, let's solve the A1. So 1 upon 4, here of means we have to put multiply in between both the numbers. So it is 1 by 4 into 1 upon 4. So here 1 ones are 1 and 4 fours are 16. Now let's solve this B1. So 1 upon 4, here we have to put multiply and then 3 upon 5. So here 1 3s are 3 and 4 5s it is 20. Now this C 1 by 4 into 4 upon 3. Now here cutting is possible. 4 ones are 4 and 4 ones are 4. So here 1 1 side is 1 and 1 3 side is 3. So our answer is 1 upon 3. So now coming to the question number 2, multiply and reduce to the lowest form if possible. So here we have to multiply this number and then reduce it to the lowest form if possible. So here let's do solution. 2 upon 3 into, now this number is given in a mixed fraction form, so we have to convert this number. So it is 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 2, so it is 8 upon 3. Now here cutting is not possible, so we have to multiply this 2 into 8, that is 16, and here 3 3s it is 9. Now here numerator is greater than denominator, so we have to convert this into a mixed fraction form. So 9 2s is 18, so we have to take 9 ones are 9. Now 2 here 16 and here 0. Now 16 minus 9, so it is 7. So now we have to write 9 in the denominator and this 7 remainder we have to write it upward and this one we have to write over here. So 9 ones are 9 and 9 plus 7 it is 16 upon 9. Now next question, 2 upon 7 into 7 upon 9. So here we have to do cutting if possible. So here cutting is possible, 7 ones are 7 ones are. So it is 2 ones are 2 and here 1 9 that is 9. Then third number, 3 upon 8 into 6 upon 4. So here 3 upon 8 into 6 upon 4. Here also cutting is possible. So 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. So 3 3s are 9 and 8 2s are it is 16. So our answer is 9 upon 16. Now number 4, 9 upon 5 into 3 upon 5. So here we have to write 9 upon 5 into 3 upon 5. Now 9 3s it is 27 and here 5 5s it is 25. So here numerator is greater than denominator, so we have to convert this into mixed fraction form. So it is 25 ones are 25. Here 2. So we have to put 25 in the denominator and this 2 remainder we have to put it upward and this one we have to write it in a side. So our answer is 1 2 by 25. Then coming to the next question, it is 11 upon 2 into 3 upon 10. So here cutting is not possible, so it is 11 into 3 that is 33 upon 10 2s are it is 20. So now here again numerator is greater than denominator, so we have to convert this. So 20 1 side is 20. So here 30. So we have to write 20 in the denominator and this 3 we have to write it in a 13. We have to write it in a numerator and this 1 we have to write it in a side. So our answer is 1 13 upon 20. Then next question is 4 upon 5 into 12 upon 7. So here cutting is not possible, so we have to multiply 4 into 12. So it is 48 upon 35. Now here numerator is greater than denominator, so we have to convert this into a mixed fraction form. So here 35 ones are 35. So now 8 minus 5 is 3, 4 minus 8 is 31. So remainder is 13, so we have to write 35 in the denominator and this 13 remainder we have to write it in a numerator and this 1 we have to write it in a side. So our answer is 1 13 upon 35. Coming to the question number 3, multiply the following fraction. First number is 2 upon 5 into 5 1 upon 4. So here we have to write 2 upon 5. In here we have to convert this. So it is 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 1 it is 21 upon 4. So here cutting is possible. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. So we have to write 21 upon 10. Now your numerator is greater than denominator. So we have to convert this into a mixed fraction form. So 10 2s are 20. 1 is the remainder. So we have to write 10 in the denominator. This one remainder we have to write it upward, and this 2 we have to write it in a side. So our answer is 2 1 by 10. Then here 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 2 it is 30. 2 upon 5 into 7 upon 9. So now here 32 into 7 we have to multiply 32 into 7. So it is 224. So it is 224 upon 5 9 that is 45. So here also the numerator is greater than denominator. So we have to convert this into a mixed fraction form. So 45 4s are 180. So here we have to take 4 minus 0 that is 4. 12 and here 1. So 12 minus 8 that is 4. So we have to write 45 in the denominator, and this 44 we have to write it in a numerator, and this portion 4 we have to write it in a side. So our answer is 44 upon 45. Then third number 3 upon 2 into 5 1 by 3. So this number is given in a mixed fraction form. So we have to convert this. That is 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 1 it is 16 upon 3. So here cutting is possible. 2 1s are 2 8s are. So our answer is 8. Now number 4, 2 3 by 5 into 3. So here this number is given in a mixed fraction form. So we have to convert this number. So 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 3 that is 13 upon 5. Here we have to write 3. So 13 3 that is 39 upon 5. So here numerator is greater than denominator. So we have to convert this. So 5 7 that is 35. So here 4 is the remainder. So we have to write 5 in the denominator, and this 4 we have to write in the numerator, and this 7 we have to write it in the side. So our answer is 7 4 by 5. Next is 3 4 by 7 into 3 upon 5. So now we have to convert this into a improper fraction. So 3 7 that is 21. 21 plus 4 that is 25 upon 7 into 3 upon 5. So here cutting is possible. 5 1s are 5, 5s are 25. So 5 3s are it is 15 upon 7. So here also numerator is greater than denominator. So we have to convert this. So 7 2s are it is 14. So 1 is the remainder. So we have to write 7 in the denominator, and this 1 remainder we have to write it upward, and this 2 we have to write it in a side. So our answer is 2 1 by 7. Now question number 4, which is greater? So the number is given 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 or 3 by 5 or 5 by 8. We have to find out by comparing with each other that which one is greater. So 2 upon 7 of it means we have to put multiplying between this number, or 3 upon 5 here also off. So we have to put multiplying between two numbers. So here 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So it is 3 1s are 3 and 7 2s are 14. Or 5 1s are 5. So it is 3 upon 8. Now look, both the denominators are different. So we have to take the LCM of 14 and 8. So LCM of 14 and 8 is equal to 56. So let's check the LCM of 14 and 8. So here 2 7s are 14 and 2 4s are 8. Again 2. Here also 2. Now 7. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. So it is 8 into 7, that is 56. So here our LCM is 56. 6. Now we have to make the denominator equal. So 14 4s are 56. So here if we multiply the denominator with 4, we have to multiply the numerator with 4. So if 3 4s that is 12 and 3 upon 8. So here 8 7s are 56. So here also we have to take 7. So 3 7 that is 21. So now write, since 21 upon 56 is greater than 12 upon 56. Therefore, so here second number is greater. So we have to write therefore 3 by 5 or 5 by 8 is greater. Now second one, 1 by 2 of 6 by 7 or 2 by 3 of 3 by 7. So here 1 by 2 into 6 upon 7 or 2 by 3 into 3 upon 7. So here 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6 and here 3 1s are 3 and 3 1s are 3. So 1 3s are 3 upon 1 7s are 7 or here 2 1s are 2 and 1 7s are 7. So here 3 by 7 or here 2 by 7. So which one is greater? So 3 by 7 is greater. Therefore this first number is greater. So it is therefore 1 by 2 of 6 by 7 is greater. Now number 5, Saili plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. The distance between two adjacent saplings is 3 upon 4 meter. Find the distance between the first and the last sapling. So here Saili, she plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. And the distance between two adjacent saplings is 3 upon 4 meter. We have to find out the distance between the first and the last saplings. So we have to write the solution, that is number of saplings is equal to 4. Now the distance between two adjacent saplings, here we have to write distance between two adjacent saplings is equal to 3 upon 4 meter. Then we have to find out the distance between the first. Therefore, distance between the first and the last sapling is equal to, so let's draw the saplings. This is sapling 1, sapling 2, this is sapling 3 and this is sapling 4. So here the distance between these two saplings, that is 3 upon 4 meter, 3 upon 4 meter. So the distance between two saplings is 3 upon 4 meter. So 3 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 3 upon 4. So 3 times 3 upon 4 is that. We have to write 3 into 3 upon 4 meter. So 3 3 side is 9 upon 4. So now numerator is greater than denominator. So we have to convert this into a mixed fraction form. So 4 2 side is 8, here 1. So our answer is, we have to write 4 in the denominator and this 1 we have to write it in numerator and this 2 we have to write it in a side. So our answer is 1 by 4 meter. So here we got the distance between the first and the last saplings, that is 1 by 4 meter. Number 6, Lipika reads a book in 3 by 4 hours every day. She read the entire book in 6 days. How many hours in all were required by her to read the book? So every day Lipika reads a book 3 by 4 hours and she read the entire book in 6 days. So we have to find out in how many hours she required to read the books. So first we have to write Lipika read a book in 3 by 4 hours every day. She read the entire book in 6 days. Now we have to find out hours required to read the whole book so here 1 3/4 into 6 days. So 4 ones are 4, 5 6 and 7. So 7/4 into 6. So here 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. So 7 3s it is 21/2. Here the numerator is greater than denominator, so we have to convert this. So 2 10s it is 20. So 1 is the remainder. So we have to write 2 here. We have to write 1 and here 10. So the answer is 10 1/2 hours. So hours required to read the whole book is equal to 10 1/2. Now 7 number, a car runs 16 km by using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 2 3/4 liters of petrol? So here we have to write the statement. Distance covered by car in 1 liter of petrol is equal to 16 km. Therefore, we have to find out the distance covered by car in 2 3/4 liter of petrol is equal to, that is 2 3/4 into 16. So 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 3 that is 11/4 into 16. So 4 1s are 4 4s are 16. So 11 into 4 that is 44 kilometer. Therefore, distance covered by car in 2 3/4 liters of petrol is 44 kilometers. So dear student, here we completed our exercise 2.3. I hope you understand it very well. So keep practicing. Thank you so much and have a nice day.